Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hello, my friend Rustinox, over in, I believe it's France. I know you're in Europe. This is my entry into coat hanger, hashtag coat hanger 2020. I'm sitting here talking to you now, drinking green liquid. This could be nickel plating solution or dissolved cane toad. It could be almost anything. Like Jackie Gleason used to say, how sweet it is. I'm currently not set up for the rest of my lost wax casting process after creating the wax and spruing. I don't have investment. My electro melter's broke. I gotta replace that. Out of investment. So I didn't make a wire wax coat hanger and cast it in like brass or something. Didn't want to go chintzy and take a coat paper clip and make a little one. No. And as you can see by the picture, the wood grain, the high-tech architectural fastening system. I was going to say, hey, I found this! This is high-tech building hardware! No! So I went for simple, dignified coat hanger. Have at you. I'm waiting to see what the other entries are going to be, because this is going to be good. Good night from California.